Check it out, I'm at the AEE booth in Las Vegas at CES. Check this out. So when you first look at this thing, it looks like a cell phone, right? This looks like you got your standard cell phone with a big case on it. But then you flip it over, there's actually a drone, a little tiny transforming drone that sits inside the case. It's so cool. You could just take it off the back of your phone, unfold it, and then start flying it right from your phone. Look at that. That is so cool. It's like James Bond type stuff. So if you look here, you can see that it has a little tiny camera on it. So this was 1080p at 30 frames per second? 60. Oh wow, 60 frames per second. That's even better.
The picture resolution is 13 megapixel.
And 13, that's pretty good for such a tiny little drone. 4-minute flight time,
4
right?
4 minute flight time.
And
it comes with 2 batteries.
Two batteries,
okay. Together.
And the batteries are easy to put in and out? They're they come easy? Oh, it just slides right in.
Yeah, here is
so you could carry like a pocket full of batteries and just swap them in every 4 minutes. Type-C charging as well. That's perfect for guys with,
and also we come
with my phone.
How saying is there is a power bank version. You can charge on the power bank or charge it by the Type-C.
Oh, nice. Now this is not a gimbal, right? It's just a
not gimbal.
Just adjustable.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Still, that's pretty good. So there you go, guys. That's pretty cool. You have a cell phone case that has a drone. You could pop it off and be flying within seconds, getting 1080p, 60 frames per second for 4 minutes of flight time. That's pretty cool. And then I heard you say it's about $129, right?
$129.
$129. There you go. And it's going to be available pretty soon. Not too long. You'll be able to buy this on Amazon and all the other retailers. A couple weeks, maybe a couple months away. AEEUSA.com. There you go, guys. Check them out.